Amazing day, ka-t-shirt! Another day, another car. This is me, Bianca Enclan, marketing professional here at T-shirt Balintawak. Hi guys, meron kami ditong available na 2021 Wigo 1.0 TRD automatic. Ang mileage nito guys is 23,000 kms only. For the price of 500,000 pesos, we are open for in-house financing, bank PO, or cash payment. Meron din kami available dito na 2025 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE CVT guys for only 10,000 kms ang mileage guys. And ang presyo nito is 750,000 pesos. Pwede pa mabigyan ng discount upon checking sa unit. So here guys, meron din tayong hybrid units. We have available 2020 Corolla Altis 1.8 hybrid automatic. Ang mileage nito guys is 18,000 kms only for only 1,180,000 pesos. Another hybrid unit guys, meron kami ditong 2022 Corolla Cross 1.8V hybrid automatic. Ang mileage nito is only 29,000 kms. At naka-discount na rin siya for 1,100,000 pesos. Madami pa kaming available na ibang units guys, baka nandito na ang hinahanap mo. So visit na here at T-shirt Balintawak, number 5 EDSA, Barangay 95, East Grace Park, Caloocan City. See you guys!